In this video, I want to show you how to use the Footsteps library and the sampler presets for the Native Instruments Kontakt and Native Instruments Battery. I'll show you how to do it in Pro Tools. So, first we need to create instrument track. And we need to create audio track. On the insert of the instrument track, we need to add the plugin. Let's start with the battery. And now I want to select the preset. As you can see, I have a large number of different footwear and different surfaces. In this library, you choose what exactly you need for the project. I'll show only one example. So on the desktop, I have this library. It's high heels on wooden surface. So what you need to do is you need to choose the key on your MIDI keyboard. I choose C2. It's the easiest way for me. Do not click with your mouse, because if you do it fast, then the program will think it is a double click, and occasionally two samples will be played at once. I'll show you. So I guess you saw that sometimes two samples are played at once, and that is not the case if you use MIDI keyboard and just press one key on your MIDI keyboard. Now, when you selected the preset you want, we need to send that to our audio track. The output of the instrument track should be one unused bus. For example, let's say bus 11. That bus 11 should be input of the audio track. So now you just click record, enable on both instrument and audio track, click recording, click play, and the recording is started. Now when you press the key on your MIDI keyboard, a sample appears both on MIDI channel and on audio channel. Now you watch the video and press the key synced with the video footsteps. When you're finished, just click stop, delete the MIDI track, and you have your recording of the footsteps. So if you want to change something, you can manually cut the samples and place them exactly where you need them. So now the grid is in frames and you can adjust each sample with a desired frame. If you use Kontakt, you should do the same thing with creating instrument and audio tracks. Just select the preset you want. So I will load what I have on the desktop. Gravel, sneakers. And again, I will delete everything. Both tracks are record enabled. Click record, click play. The recording started. So now just press key on your MIDI keyboard. And that's it. Delete the MIDI track and you have your footsteps recording with Native Instruments Kontakt. If you do not want to use C2 as the key on your MIDI keyboard, you can change that in settings and choose the note you desire. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.